Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Now many of you may know that I do have a shop, an online shop at 4kidsaT147.com that enables you to purchase quite a variety of different goodies, a lot of them to help you in your organisation of your spares. So we do have DMC stickers that go onto the pre-cut cardstock that we also sell to give you dividers for your diamonds. We also sell the likes of small DMC numbers for popping on your little baggies in both square and round. We sell square and round stickers that are plain for labelling up your latest projects, things like that. And I'm going through these quickly because I have gone through most of these in detail, but we also do things like canvas organisation stickers, stickers to put on diamond paintings once they're completed. We've got baggy insert paper that's sold in a bigger pack than this, as is the cardstock, but we sell this for putting inside your baggies to help them stand up. We sell packs of cover paper cut to the size that I use on pretty much all of my videos, and we also have our famous 4Kids at 147 diamond painting trays, which currently are in pink and grey, but we do hope for more colours to come soon. But the purpose of today's video is to let you know about our new item. So this has been on a little bit of a pre-order on the store for those that were interested, mainly in the Facebook group, but they are now ready to be shipped out. So I wanted to go through and let you guys know basically what is in the diamond painting logbook, so you can decide if it is something that is suitable for you or not. Many diamond painting logbooks that you can get just allow you to have the logbook section, but we wanted to have this to have a few more different features. So it has a few different sections. The first section is called My Stash, and in with this you get space. Each table will take 25 different paintings, so you can see at a glance what diamond paintings you may have in your own stash. You can give it a kit name, whether that be the company and the code, or whether that be whatever you've decided to name it. You can choose to tick it when completed, or you can write in the date. We've left enough space, so if you want to write in the date when it's completed, you can. So there's enough for 25, and you get 6 pages of that in the notebook. You also get a page of notebook paper, which will appear throughout. Now, one of the benefits of this is that you can take things out and put them back in, because this is on a disc-bound system. We do also sell the sections separately, punched or unpunched, so you can either add more if you have more paintings than what will fit on here, or you can add them into your own system. There's a few different options available. We then have My Wish List. This again allows you space for 25 per page. This one we have the name, the shop or the site so that you know where, and then you can either tick or date when you've purchased it, because then you can duplicate it over into your stash without having a sheet that's got lots of different things crossed out. So you get 6 pages of that, and then you also get a notebook paper. If you chose to purchase the My Wish List section separately, you would get all of that. Third thing in the book is My Spares. Now, while this is sold as one section, there are 2 sections within this. So the first is My Spares Square and Round, and we have listed all the DMC numbers used in diamond painting, and we've got a title saying square and round, and you can choose to tick those. You could write numbers in them, though you'd have to know the exact number of diamonds. I think a tick might be the easiest option. So you can see at a glance what you have in spares and what you don't. Then you get a notebook page. Now you can move all of these about if that's not something that you want in there, but it may be that you need to write little notes about things. And then the second section of this section is My Spares Special and AB. So we still have all the list of the DMC numbers. The columns are titled Special and AB. And then we do also have the Diamond Art Club AB codes on the back. Now you can find the conversion. There is a conversion that will tell you what DMC code 100 is. And other companies you can tend to find the same, but some companies do sell them as just DMC numbers. So we're giving you options on that one, and a notebook paper. So the My Spares section that is sold separately is all of this. So you can choose to add more if you want. If you wanted to have a section for those that are in your spares, those that you're happy to gift, you can mix that up. And then the chunk, or the main thing that you tend to find in a logbook, is a log. And we did speak to a few different people about what was best to contain in this log, and we think we've covered pretty much everything that anybody could want to detail down. Now on the back of the title page, it does have a diamond and some note paper lines. This is where you can put your picture, you can put your inventory sheet if you like to include that. This is where you can stick those sorts of things. And then we've got a space for the title of the painting, and then we have sectioned it up. So we've got canvas, you can put the size, quality, we've got little stars, you can colour those in, and then a tick box for poured glue, double-sided tape, full drill or partial drill, because you don't want to be writing those out every single time. Then for drills, we've got the number of colours and then the total drills, which you can always work out from the size of the painting if you want. We've got round, square, AB, rhinestone. So you may have round and rhinestone, or you can tick both. We've got a little checkbox for DMC, yes or no. Does the painting have the DMC numbers? And again, the quality in relation to the drills, so that you've got a record. You've got your purchase details, so purchase from, date ordered, date received, total cost. Then we've got a star checkbox for customer service. So if you found the customer service to be good. Delivery notes, you can also put in anything there about how it was packaged, time it took, whatever it is that you want to document the most, the space. Then we've got the quality time. So this is when the date that you started the painting and the date that you finished the painting. You can then total time spent. So if you do like to track exactly how much time you spent, you could put the total in there. But if not, maybe you could just count the days and it works out as the days, even though you've not diamond painted every day. And then the enjoyment level, because we all enjoy some paintings more than others. You can give that a rating. And then you can give your overall final thoughts. So your final thoughts on the overall painting, whether you chose to keep it, gifted it or sold it, and any other additional notes, which of course you can transfer over onto this page depending on how big your pictures are. Now, with the actual logbook section in here, you get 20 of these pages and 21 of these in the logbook itself. In the extra pack, we give 10 of these and 11 of these. The reason for that is when you purchase the extra pack, it will have the front, because some people are only purchasing the extra so that they can have it in their own. But what you can do is you can take this off, which means it will start with this, and then you can add it to the end where we've already got that blank page, and then you will have 10 complete more pages to add in, and then you do get a note page. So the only difference is you have enough complete double-sided to do 20 paintings in the logbook, 10 in the refill pack. You get one of these extra, but that's just so that it can help you to let it flow when you add or remove pages in here. And then the final section is the time tracker. So if you do want to track how long a painting takes you in more minutes and hours, then you can use these time tracker pages. The benefit of them being able to come out is you may decide that you want to take this page out and put it in with your painting here, so that you've got your picture of your painting and you're tracking your time. Whatever you decide you want to do, you can remove them to do that. You do get 11 lines to write, so you write your title in the top, the date, time started, time finished, and then your time spent. And then you've got a little tally at the bottom for the total, because you may need to go on to the next page, depending on how many times that you get to diamond paint. And we include, I think it's 10, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those are included in the time tracker, and that's what's included in the extra pack. And then we have a notebook sheet. And in addition, the logbook itself has another 5 notebook pages at the back, which you can then move about. It could just be your day-to-day list. You could use it for anything, but you do get extra notebook pages in the logbook, but they're not sold separately. The other thing you get in the logbook that is, again, not a separate thing, is a bookmark. So this bookmark has been laminated, so it is thicker than the actual paper, but you could move this about and have this in with, say, the painting that you're working on, or in with your time tracker, which means when you shut it, you can open it straight away to where you are. With the disc system, you can bend it back on itself, so you are dealing with a shorter book. Though I need to remember to get the cover to go back to the front. There we go. So you've got all of that, and then you've got your back cover. So that is our new 4Kids at 147 diamond painting logbook. I will pop the link to my website both in the comments and in the description, but these are available to purchase now. We do ship worldwide, and postage is determined by weight. So it will vary according to how many items you may or may not have in your basket. But I hope you enjoy this logbook just as much as we do. We really enjoyed creating it, and we're really happy with everything that it covers, and we hope you guys like it too. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.